This is OnePlus Pad, and today I would like to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start, I will show how you can enable the Smart Sidebar feature that allows you to store whatever custom apps you would like to have right over here in the Quick Access. So you will be able to quickly launch whatever apps you need the most. In order to enable this feature, you will need to enter the Special Features category of settings, then open the Smart Sidebar page and turn it on. Now you can decide if you would like for the app names to be visible, and if you would like to change what apps it stores. First of all, you can launch it by sliding to the left from the top right part of your display, like that. Then you can edit its layout and remove or add any of the apps you like or not like, respectively. So once you've made your choice, don't forget to hit the done button, and that will be it. So a very convenient feature to have, which allows you to access the most important and frequently used apps without having to open the home screen at all. The next option, you can find it at display category, so let's launch settings, enter the display and brightness category. This option is called the refresh rate, and you can set it to be at the value of 60 Hz or 144. As you can see from those preview animations, that is a very convenient way to spot the difference. So the high value provides you with more motion smoothness and just smoother and silkier animations in general, while the standard value will lose this smoothness, but it will prolong the battery life. So select whatever you value more, the improved battery life or smoother visuals. The next option, or the next tweak that I wanted to show, is how you can add the battery percentage over here, since right now I have no idea how much battery I have left. So in order to display the battery percentage, you will need to enter the notifications and status bar category. Onwards, open the status bar page and turn on the battery percentage toggle. And here it is. The next tip, the next two tips actually, those are the performance related. So the first one you can enter the battery for, then go into the more settings menu and turn on the high performance mode. And it is pretty self-explanatory feature. It improves or increases the system performance, allowing you to do more tasks more quickly, and it comes at the expense of increased power consumption. So fifth and final tip, you can find the option I want to show you at the About Device category, RAM. And here is the RAM expansion, so you can turn it on by toggling the switch, then select the amount of gigabytes you would like to increase your random access memory for, and then reboot the tablet in order for those changes to be properly applied. And what this feature does, it's actually provides you with additional 4, 6, or 8 gigabytes of virtual random access memory, increasing the system performance and allowing you to do more tasks simultaneously without significantly slowing the system down. So it's a very convenient feature to have enabled. The sacrifice that you make is that the respective amount of gigabytes do not appear from nowhere magically. Those gigabytes are being taken from the internal storage, but I guess sacrificing a few gigabytes of device memory for significantly improved system performance is something worth doing. Anyway, that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.